If you have an Android phone and you are wondering how to copy the contents or camera videos and all from your Android to your Mac PC, this video is for you. So first of all, you have to go to Google and do a search Android device driver for Mac. Okay, then it will show this tool, Android file transfer. You have to download it. Once you download it, you will have a DMG file, right? So you have to double click on it and just pull it to here. In my case, I already installed. I'll just say stop. Okay, then once I'm done with that, what I'll do is I will go to my this tool. I'll open that tool. Okay, I'll open that tool. This is my tool window on the phone. What we have to do is, I'll show that also. See, the configuration should be like this: file transfer should be enabled, and who is controlling the device? This device, right? So if these two are selected, sometimes even if it's selected, this window might not come. So I have to play around a little bit. Like now, you see I removed that, I closed that window or unplugged the cable. It got disconnected, right? Now I'm reconnecting this cable, and suddenly it won't come sometimes. You have to, yeah, you see this, it's saying device not connected. Then what we do is we say okay here on the computer, and we have to just keep playing with the cables, like unplug the cable and replug it. And once you do that, it will again show this pop-ups, right? Now I'll go back to my file manager, and then yeah, you see here there is not connected, and here it will show, like once I disconnected my cable and reconnected it, it will show whether you want to use for file transfer. I'll say okay, then it will show like this. Okay, you noticed it, right? So I'll again do it. So once I you whether you noticed or not, I don't know. I'll try to show it again. So when I reconnect it, so this, there are two pop-ups. One, this one, you need to notice this, and then there is one pop-up here. If I press this, it will get closed. Okay, this blue color button. But what I'll do is I'll first do okay, then it showed up right here. This button is there. I can't control this, the bottom window. If you notice, it's the mouse click is not working, so I have to close this first. As soon as I close this, couldn't connect. If I close it, even this will go. So how do we go about it? Let me show you. You press ok, then you come here and say, you select something, no file transfer. Okay, then again this pop-up will come. You press ok, and then select file transfer. Now yeah, you have to just try it a little bit, one or two times, and file transfer, it will come. Yeah, yeah, even for me, right, it created, I wasn't able to immediately use it. So then I thought, let me make a video, because after a while, right, what we did, even I will forget. So I thought, let me make a video so that in the future, if I have to uh, go through this again, I have, so it's giving me that option. Now I press P2P, I press MIDI, I press USB, file transfer. Yeah, you saw this, like I kept pressing all the three. Now it showed up. Now although there is yeah, that button also went. You notice that button went. Now what we'll do, we'll go to DCIM, we'll go to camera. Okay, and yeah, why I'm using my phone, like I could have did the screen share, like but I couldn't show my phone, right? Like yeah, even that I could have done using a Visio tool, but I didn't wanted to install one more app and make it complicated, because this is not how the most users will use it, right? Most of the people will be trying this approach, and if I show everything on the screen, on the soft screen, then it will not be easier. So I just wanted to show the actual usage. And whenever we are doing some file transfer, please avoid working on the phone. Okay, so now this, did you notice? So I went to camera, then like before camera it is like, this is our file manager on Android, and then we have to go to DCIM. Okay, in DCIM we will have camera, and here you will have all the videos. So in my case these are videos, so these videos I want to move. So what I'll do is I'll click on one and keep moving one at a time. So, and while this is doing, while this is happening, we should not click any of these, right? This or this, to avoid the file transfer to be stopped. So check this video and see if it helps you, and if it does, give a thumbs up, like, that will really help. Yeah, and motivate. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing, that will mean a lot. And what else? Yeah, and if you need any other